everyone, welcome back to Use and Fix, where we will be showing you another tutorial video of the following topic. And the topic is when your messenger stop working. Like if you are having trouble in fixing your messenger to fix those kinds of error, you are not alone. This issue is more common than you might think. So today I'm going to walk you through some super easy steps to fix it. So we're going to try a few methods, starting from the simplest and the working your way up, that is my airplane mode. So turn it on from your notification bar or from your control center, wait for like 10 to 15 seconds, then turn it back off. This resets your network connection and can fix temporary glitches. So the second one is you can just check the messenger update. Like you can go check it from your app store, or if you are an Android user, you can simply visit your Play Store and go for it. And as I am iOS user, I will visit my app store, and after visiting app store I will go to my search option and search the related app, that is Messenger for now. So after searching the app, just need to see if there is any kinds of updates available or not. So if there is any update available, you just need to update it accordingly. But if there is no any update available, you can just leave it alone. Sometimes login issues or any kind of opening issues happen because you are using outdated version of the app. So updating it ensures you have the latest work fixes and improvements. But if updating did not help, it's time to clear all the app caches, especially on Android. So to clear that, here's how. You just need to go to your settings and go to the app or app management, then find Messenger, tap storage and cache, then hit the clear cache. This clears out all old data that might be causing issues. And if you are on iPhone, you can just simply go to the closest solution is deleting and reinstalling the app. You can just go to the settings and go to the option general and find the option iPhone storage and find your messenger. Here you go, and here you see the option like offload app. Tap on that and offload the app, and there will be the option like reinstall app. Tap on the option reinstall app. Here you go, and now your app messenger will be reinstalled within a very few seconds on a device with the very latest version and latest files and settings. So in many cases, this is the final fix that solves the stubborn login problems or any kinds of other problems. So if it did, let me know in the comment section and give this video a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one with another tutorial video. Thank you.